Now we can learn about floors. Click on the Floor Split button. In the drop-down, select Architectural Floor. In the Properties bar drop-down, we can see that there are different floors with varying thicknesses. I am choosing the generic 150 mm floor. When we click the floor icon, Revit automatically takes the floor plan view in which we are drawing from as the base level. Since we are drawing in the plinth floor plan view, this level is shown. Now we can use the Draw panel in the Modify tab to draw the outline of the floor. I am using the rectangle option to draw the outline. After drawing the outline, when we click the tick button, the floor is created. We can go to the 3D view to check the placement. We can see that the floor has been created at the plinth level. In similar way, let us create floor for the car porch. Going back to the plinth level, let us select the floor and use the Create Similar option. Now we can draw the outline of the porch area and create the floor. The floor is placed at the plinth level, but we need it to be placed 15 centimeters from the ground level. So first I am changing the level in the Properties bar to ground level. By using the Height Offset from Level option, we can move the floor slab to the height that the floor must be placed from the base. I am changing the value to 15 centimeters. Now I want to extend the porch floor slab up to the entry of the house. We can select the floor to be modified and in the Contextual tab click on Edit Boundary button. Now using the Modify tools, the boundary can be modified. Inside the Modify tab, the Draw and Modify tools work similar to AutoCAD. So using these tools we can draw any shape of floor we need. When using the Offset tool, if the Copy option is unchecked, the line is moved to new position. Here I am using Line, Offset and Fillet tool to define the floor boundary. Now we can see that the floor slab has been created. In the 3D view, we can see the two different floor slabs placed at different levels. We can see that there are gaps in the area between ground floor and plinth floor. Therefore, we can go to the ground floor plan and create the boundary walls between ground and plinth. Select the Wall tool. Then using the Line tool, we can trace the center line to create the walls. Check that the base and top constraints are set to ground and plinth. Then the walls are drawn. Here we can see that the floor plan is not displaying the correct elements. We can edit the view range such that the cut plane for this floor plan is set at 0.6 meters. Now we can see that only the walls at this level are displayed. Thus, using the floor tool, floors of different thicknesses can be created at different levels as per requirement. We can also see that using the same modifying tools, different elements can be edited and modified.